Let's learn how we can differentiate trigonometric functions. So the rules for trigonometric functions are d over dx of sin x is equal to cos x, d over dx of cos x is equal to minus sin x, d over dx of tan x is equal to sec square x. Okay, this is also there in the formula book, so there's nothing to memorize. And as we explained in chain rule, if there is anything other than x, you have to differentiate it again. So for example, if y is equal to sine 4x, dy by dx will be cos 4x, and since anything other than x, you have to differentiate again, and that is 4 cos 4x. So then chain rule will come into picture. Okay, uh, y is equal to sine x square, dy over dx will be cos x square. So first the differentiation of the whole thing, then since this is not x square, you have to differentiate that again, so it is 2x. So it is 2x cos x square. Another example, y is equal to cos 2x square plus 4x. So d over dx is equal to differentiation of cos x is equal to minus sin x, so it is minus sin 2x square plus 4x, and since it is anything other than x, you have to differentiate that again, so that will be 4x plus 4. Okay. Again, another one, the one question is sine y is equal to sine to the power of 4x. Okay, now this will take the form y is equal to x to the power of 4. So dy over dx will be 4x to the power of 3. So the same thing will happen here. So d over dx will be equal to 4 sine to the power of 3x times, since it is anything other than x, you have to differentiate that again. So it is cos x. Again, another question on the same line, cos to the power of 5, 3x. So dy over dx will be 5 cos to the power of 4x. Then differentiate this as a whole. So that will be minus sine 3x. Since it is other than x, you differentiate that again. So it is 3. So it will be minus 15 cos to the power of 4 3x times sine 3x. Let us try some questions from this section. Okay, so y is equal to cos 3x minus 1, dy over dx will be minus sine 3x minus 1 and minus 3, plus 3, so which is equal to minus 3 sine 3x minus 1. Y is equal to, this is the question, sine half x. So dy over dx will be equal to cos half x. Since it is anything other than x, you have to differentiate that. So it is half. So that's equal to half cos half x. Okay. The differentiation of tan x is dy over dx is equal to sec square x. So y is equal to tan 2x. Dy over dx will be sec square 2x. Since it is anything other than x, you just multiply it by, differentiate that again. So which is equal to 2 sec square 2x. Okay. Another question, tan cube 4x plus 3 dy over dx is equal to 3 tan square 4x plus 3. Differentiate this again, so that is sec square 4x plus 3. Differentiate this again, which is 4. So it will be 12 tan square 4x plus 3 sec square 4x plus 3. Hope you got this. Hope you are able to understand what I am doing. Okay. Y is equal to tan cube theta. dy over dx is equal to 3 tan square theta. So differentiate this, sec square theta. Okay, now let's see the combination of a trigonometric function and chain rule. So if you have the question x square cos x dy over dx will be, so this is the product rule, then you will have the chain rule to be applied and the trigonometric functions. So first and foremost you have to identify this is a product rule because there's a multiplication here. Now the product rule will apply, so it's x square times differentiation of the second one, which is minus sine x, then second term times differentiation of the first, which is 2x. So this is minus x square sine x plus 2x cos x. Okay, you can just interchange it and write it. Even if you write it like this, you will get it. So y is equal to sine x cos x. Again, since there are two terms and there's a multiplication between, it is a product rule. So dy over dx is equal to sine x times cos x, differentiation of the cos x is minus sine x, plus cos x times differentiation of the first term is cos x, which is equal to minus sine square x plus cos square x. Okay, and this is nothing but cos 2x. You can, if you want, you can simplify it, right? Otherwise also you will get the mark. Even if it is show that, you have to go to the trigonometric functions identities page in the formula book and then find out which is the corresponding one, and then you have to update it here. Okay, another question, sin x plus 1 the whole square dy over dx is equal to 2 sin x plus 1 the whole square times differentiation of sin x is cos x. Okay, so this is dy by dx. Let me check if I have any other question. Yeah, one more question. Y is equal to tan x plus 1 by 3 tan cube x dy over dx. Differentiation of tan x is equal to sec square x plus 1 by 3 times 3 tan square x, and the differentiation of tan square x is sec square x. This 3 and 3 will get cancelled. So sec square x plus sec square x tan square x, or you can take sec square x outside, 1 plus tan square x, or 1 plus tan square x is nothing but sec square x. So then that will be equal to sec to the power of 4x. So always you can see there are combinations, like combination of different topics which will come here, because that's very important to understand that in Leaving Cert, it's not the topic wise questions, it will be combination topics. Okay, the last one which I will do here on this one is sin x by 1 plus cos x. Okay, so this is quotient rule and then the chain rule. So dy over dx is equal to 1 plus cos x times differentiation of sin x is cos x minus sin x into differentiation of 1 plus cos x is minus sin x over 1 plus cos x the whole square. So then you can simplify this as cos x plus cos square x plus sin square x divided by 1 plus cos x the whole square. Now cos square x plus sin square x is equal to 1. So it is cos x plus 1 over 1 plus cos x the whole square.